Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So I made videos on Uthando Nesthembu, right? I did Uthando Nesthembu Uncut, and I also did the recent episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. The aim was just to share with my TikTok viewers or my TikTok friends to say this is the opinion that I had on the episodes. I am now sharing them with you. Please let me know what you think of the episodes that have played. And do you think Uguti Umseleku still has the power to keep this as tempo going? Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe as you enjoy my TikTok videos. Bazalwani Ninchani. Yo, Bazalan, I'm good. Bazalan, I'm sorry. Christmas in ways that I didn't think it was going to Christmas. I just dropped off everybody else go their respective homes today, so it's only now that I can do a review because I did watch in the morning, right? So Uthando Nesthembu Uncut, can we discuss Umakhwela, right? So Umakhwela Sharp, the problem that I had with the whole thing is that girl seemed like she's not okay. I don't know if it was me or what. I feel unale postpartum depression or something like that. So I think that's what's happening right now. I don't necessarily think but I think the reality of being a parent, it's overwhelming because she constantly said this child is mine. Yes, but like it's yours 24/7, and that's a reality of a lot of women. This is my child. Like, so I think that overwhelmed her, right? But I feel a good girl through shade. Magati, I only have 5 children. That statement is coming to bite her very soon. But I just wish for some reason because should they watch that episode, also mina I feel uguti girl, from what she has seen on TV, she concluded uguti the other 3 wives don't like her and Umacele is the only one that's on her side. But I feel uguti girl does not understand the dynamics of this marriage, and when she enters she will understand properly right? Because she said, I did not see the need to invite them. A baby shower is a sacred something where I should be inviting people that are close to me. Your husband's wives are close to you by default because you guys are sharing a 4-5, more especially if you know about them, right? You guys are sharing a 4-5, you guys are sharing a family, you guys are sharing a surname, you guys nje. So you can't say like such words. But I can't wait for season 9. How are the others going to retaliate and respond? I am curious episode Kamakumalo because I think the rumors are true. And if the rumors are true, guys, Mina, I'm going to take myself out celebrating Makumalo because her episode is not showing. And if they're going to show us what I think they're going to show us, I'm going to take myself on a solo date to celebrate Makumalo. But nonetheless, let's see what happens. When